Hello everyone, this is Jen Ward with William. I'm here today to talk to you about joint pain. Herbal medicine and natural remedies are fantastic for joint pain. And one of the reasons this is so is that joint pain, even though maybe a Western diagnosis will put joint pain into the same categories, in Chinese medicine and Ayurveda, we get to look at this in such a different way. These systems of medicine determine, what is at the root cause of this pain. So for example, I speak to my clients in Portland, Oregon, and tell them that my colleagues in Arizona will see joint pain that's quite different, and it's simply because of the environment that clients are living in. So Portland has more of a damp climate and Arizona has more of a dry climate. So as a practitioner, we'll be asking lots of questions to help to determine what the underlying imbalance is. And so today I'm just briefly going to introduce you to some concepts from Ayurveda. And so in Ayurveda, to keep it very simple today, we'll just talk about the three different imbalances. One is Vata, one is Pitta, and one is Kapha. So Vata condition, an imbalance, we might see. Again, I'm going to keep this very simple. Ayurveda, I do a 101, and that will be a 3-hour lecture. So just simply know that these three different ways are just simplifying it for you to understand and be introduced to these concepts. So Vata, we would say this is a case of dryness. So we might see pain that's worse with movement. We would hear lots of cracking and popping. And so one of the things that you can do is use food and herbs and lifestyle. So for example, if someone has Vata joint pain, we could use a medicated herbal oil. One of my favorites is the Maharayan oil. It has, over 30 herbs, and this herbal oil applied daily can really help a Vata joint pain condition due to Vata imbalance. We might see that it's worse in winter, Vata phase of life. So as people age, we will see more cracking and popping joints. So osteoarthritis would fall under that category for many people. A Pitta imbalance, we would see inflammation and swelling, so redness. So if someone comes into my office and they have more of a swelling and red condition with the knee, then I wouldn't use the same tactics as I would as a Vata condition. So with that redness and swelling, there's heat. So we wouldn't use heat, but a Pitta imbalance, something like, meditation to calm and to really think about, is the lifestyle quite hectic? Can that person get more rest? That can actually help joint pain. And the Kapha imbalance would be, we would say it's excess. So it might be stiff and swollen. So in the case of Vata joint pain, that would get worse with movement. For Kapha joint pain, we'd actually want that client to move from 6 to 10 a.m. So this is just a brief introduction to joint pain from an Ayurvedic perspective. Thanks for joining us today, and we're here to give you more info week after week. Thanks, and have a great day.